everyone. I am Miss Garrison. I'm the new career specialist here at Creighton Middle School. I am super excited to be here. This is my first year working here. My job is to be the career development facilitator for your child in 6th through 8th grade. So I'll be working with all students to help them learn about their interests, their passions, and learn about what pathways it takes to get to a certain career. In South Carolina, there are 16 career clusters, so I will be introducing all of those to your child to help them learn about the different careers that are out there and see which one they're interested in the most. And I'll be working closely with the guidance team. My page is actually on each school counselor's page based on their grade level. I will be in a channel in their Microsoft Teams. So that's where I'll be posting resources, videos, assessments, inventories. I will be starting with highlighting different careers each week on there. So make sure your child out, make sure you check that out, and see if your child is interested in that. It helps them to learn about different career options that there are out there. So I definitely want to be a resource and asset to you and your child, and helping you learn about the different options there are in careers. So please don't hesitate to reach out to me. My email is sarah.garrison@richland1.org, and I am super excited about working with your child this year. So just let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.